Imagine standing under a sky so clear that the Milky Way looks like a glowing river flowing above your head. No city lights, no haze, just billions of stars, planets, and galaxies visible to your naked eye. Today I'll tell you why Nepal. Yes, Nepal is quietly one of the best places in the world for stargazing, and how the Himalayas give it a natural astronomical advantage that very few countries have. When we talk about astronomy or stargazing, most people think of places like Chile's Atacama Desert or Hawaii's Mauna Kea. But there's another region that deserves global attention, the Himalayas of Nepal. Nepal is not just a trekking or mountaineering destination, it is a naturally gifted astronomical observation zone. Thanks to its extreme altitude variation, clean air, low light pollution, and unique geography, Nepal offers conditions that astronomers and astrophotographers actively search for across the world. In this video, we'll break down exactly why Nepal's night sky is so special, step by step, using science, real-world examples, and recent research. Before we talk about Nepal specifically, let's understand what makes any place ideal for stargazing. There are 5 major factors: altitude, atmospheric clarity, light pollution, weather stability, geographic location. Think of stargazing like trying to see the bottom of a lake. The higher you stand, the clearer the water, and the fewer ripples on the surface, the more you can see. Nepal checks almost all of these boxes, naturally. This is the biggest reason. Nepal's elevation ranges from about 60 meters to over 8,800 meters within a very short horizontal distance. This is extremely rare on Earth. According to atmospheric science, the higher you go, the air becomes thinner, there is less dust and moisture, light scattering decreases. A report by NASA's Earth Observatory explains that lower atmospheric density significantly improves astronomical visibility by reducing atmospheric distortion. In simple terms, the Himalayas lift you above the noise of Earth's atmosphere. That's why some of the world's best observatories are built on mountains like Mauna Kea in Hawaii or the Andes in Chile. Nepal has the same conditions, naturally spread across many regions. Nepal has minimal heavy industry, especially in high-altitude regions. According to data referenced by the World Health Organization, particulate pollution decreases sharply with altitude in mountainous regions far from industrial centers. In places like Mustang, Dolpa, Manang, and Upper Solukhumbu, air is dry, humidity is low, aerosols are minimal. This results in extremely transparent skies ideal for viewing faint objects like nebulae, star clusters, and the Milky Way core. Professional astrophotographers often describe these skies as optically clean. Light pollution is the biggest enemy of modern stargazing. According to the World Atlas of Artificial Night Sky Brightness, over 80% of the world's population lives under light-polluted skies. Large parts of Nepal, especially mountain and rural regions, fall under bottle scale class 1 to 3, which is considered excellent for astronomy. In simple language, you can see the Milky Way with the naked eye. Zodiacal light becomes visible. Meteor showers appear far more intense. Very few countries have such large dark sky zones that are also accessible on foot. Nepal sits roughly between 26 degrees and 30 degrees north latitude. This positioning gives observers visibility of both northern sky objects, partial access to southern celestial objects. That means you can observe Orion, Andromeda, and Polaris. You can also glimpse southern objects like the Omega Centauri cluster during certain seasons. According to Sky and Telescope magazine, mid-latitude locations offer the most balanced celestial access, something Nepal naturally provides. Let's look at real places in Nepal. Mustang region. Astrophotographers frequently report crystal clear Milky Way shots due to high altitude and desert-like climate. Nagarkot and Kalinchok. Close to Kathmandu, yet far enough from dense light pollution to provide impressive night skies. Everest region. At elevations above 4,000 meters, atmospheric distortion is so low that even amateur telescopes perform exceptionally well. Several international travel blogs and National Geographic features have highlighted Nepal as an emerging destination for astro-tourism. Globally, astro-tourism is growing rapidly. A report by the International Dark Sky Association notes that astro-tourism is one of the fastest growing niche travel sectors. Nepal has massive untapped potential. High altitude observatories, dark sky reserves, astrophotography tourism, university level astronomy research. With minimal investment and proper policy, Nepal could become South Asia's leading astronomical observation hub. Nepal's advantage is not artificial. It's natural. The Himalayas act like a cosmic balcony, lifting observers above pollution, clouds, and atmospheric noise. Combined with dark skies, clean air, and ideal latitude, Nepal quietly ranks among the best stargazing locations on Earth. So the next time you look at the Himalayas, remember they don't just touch the sky, they reveal it. If you love science, space, and hidden natural advantages like this, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.